Okay, what if I told you there's a secret treasure map to becoming a billionaire? And the very first instruction on the map is to go take a nap. I know, it sounds completely bonkers, right? But stick with me because today we're going to unlock a secret so powerful it feels like cheating. It's the incredible power of doing absolutely nothing.
But first, I have to tell you something really, really important. Your entire life, you've been fed a giant lie. A huge one. It's a lie that's been secretly stealing treasure from your pockets, and you probably didn't even know it was happening.
Just think about it. In school, what's the #1 rule? Work hard, study all night, turn in all your homework, and you get that shiny A+, right? Simple. And this is the crazy part, in the world of investing, that rule is flipped completely upside down. It's this bizarre, backwards world where trying harder, clicking more buttons, and staring at your phone all day actually gets you an F-. You literally get punished for working hard. How insane is that?
So, to find the real treasure, we first have to understand the trap we're all stuck in. This is part 1 of our grand adventure, the great work lie. Let's dig in and find out why being the busiest investor is like trying to win a race by running backwards at full speed.
Okay, I want you to picture this. Imagine your entire life savings is a wet, slippery bar of soap in your hands. Now, what happens when you get nervous and you squeeze that soap as hard as you can? It shoots right out of your hands, doesn't it? What if you just keep fiddling with it, passing it from hand to hand over and over? It just gets smaller and smaller until it dissolves into nothing. Well, every time you panic about your investments and make a move, you are squeezing that soap, and a little piece of your treasure just washes right down the drain. But you just can't stop, can you? I know the feeling. You wake up, you grab your phone before your eyes are even open, and you have to check. You see green numbers, you feel like a genius, a superhero. You see red numbers, and oh boy, your stomach just does a backflip and you feel this burning urge to do something to fix it. So what is wrong with us? Why can't we just leave the slippery soap alone?
Well, here's the next clue on our treasure map, and it's a big one. It's not your fault. I'm serious. You're not bad at this. The problem is that your brain, my brain, everyone's brain, has a dangerous little glitch in its software. A primal urge to do something, even when doing something is the dumbest move you could possibly make.
This glitch, this is the big monster we have to defeat. It's called action bias. Think of it like a little goblin sitting on your shoulder, whispering in your ear all day. Don't just sit there. Do something. Anything. Even when the absolutely smartest, most brilliant move is to just sit on your hands and do nothing at all. Let me show you this little goblin in action, because you have totally done this before. It's the traffic jam mistake. So you're stuck in traffic, right? Dead stop. The lane right next to you starts moving. Vroom! And you feel that burn in your chest, that little voice screaming, "I'm in the wrong lane!" So you do it. You swerve over, and bam! Your new lane stops dead. And the lane you just left? Oh, it's now zooming by you. Ha! You just played yourself. That panicky, gotta do something urge to switch lanes, that's the action bias goblin whispering sweet nothings in your ear. So why on earth is our brain like this? Well, it's because it's ancient. It's not a fancy new supercomputer. It's more like an old computer from millions of years ago. Your brain wasn't built for shiny stock charts and financial news. It was built for one thing: surviving on the savannah. Back then, if a bush rustled, you didn't stop to think, you ran. Because if that rustle was a lion, running saved your life. That panic was a survival superpower.
But here's the thing. Today, the lion is gone. And you know who knows all about your ancient brain glitch? The bad guys on Wall Street. And they use it to trick you. They've built this giant, loud, flashy casino designed specifically to trigger that old panic button. Flashing red lights, giant breaking news banners, urgent countdown clocks ticking to 0. They want your old caveman brain to scream, "Lion, danger, run, sell everything." And why? Because every time you run, every time you panic and trade, they make money. They literally get paid from your panic.
And this brings us to the next clue on our map, and to the hero of our story who figured out how to escape this trap. Let's talk about the lazy billionaire. Yep, we're talking about Warren Buffett. And his real secret isn't that he's the smartest guy in the room, it's that he is the laziest guy in the room. He actually weaponized the power of doing absolutely nothing. I mean, just look at this. In 1974, the whole market crashed. People were losing their minds, panicking in the streets. What did Warren do? He just calmly bought a great company, like it was no big deal. Fast forward to 2008, the entire world's economy is melting down, a total financial apocalypse. What did he do?
He calmly invested billions while everyone else was hiding under their beds. He is the undisputed world champion of chilling out.
And here's a peek into how his brain works. It's so simple, it's actually genius. He calls it the hamburger test. Okay, imagine you love hamburgers. You're going to eat hamburgers for the rest of your life. So, if the price of hamburgers suddenly gets cut in half, would you cry about it? No, you'd throw a party. You'd be screaming, yes, cheap hamburgers. But for some reason, with stocks, people do the exact opposite. When the price of the great companies they want to own gets cheaper, they cry and they panic and they sell. It makes 0 sense. Warren, he loves a good sale.
Okay, I want you to look at this number. Just look at it. Burn this number into your brain, 20. Because this number, this one single number, is about to change the way you think about building your treasure forever. Ready for this secret power-up? This is the 20-slot punch card. Imagine at the start of your investing adventure, you get a special card with only 20 little holes you can punch. And every time you buy something, you have to punch a hole. Once you've punched all 20, you're done. For life. No more investments. Now, how would that change how you play the game? You wouldn't just waste a punch on some random silly idea, would you? Heck no. You would wait and wait and wait for the most perfect, most amazing, can't-miss idea ever. You'd stop gambling and you'd become a super patient, laser-focused treasure hunter.
Now, here's where the real magic happens. There's an invisible force that makes this whole lazy strategy a true superpower. It's a secret engine that only works when you leave it the heck alone. Let's uncover the next part of our map, the unstoppable snowball machine. You see, every time you're trading, you're not actually alone. You've got this silent partner who's always watching over your shoulder, good old Uncle Sam. And every single time you sell for a profit to lock in a win, he shows up with his hand out and takes a piece of your treasure. It's like there's a grumpy troll under a bridge who demands a toll every single time you try to cross. And that troll just makes your pile of treasure smaller and smaller every time.
And that grumpy troll is exactly why you have to build a giant snowball of money and just let it roll. Look, at first, your snowball is tiny, teeny tiny. After 10 years, maybe it's the size of a basketball. Kind of boring, right? But if you can just resist the urge to touch it, if you just leave it alone and let it keep rolling downhill, after 30 years, it's a giant boulder. After 50 years, it's an unstoppable avalanche. The real mind-blowing magic happens way at the end. But every time you sell and pay that troll, you're smashing your snowball and starting all over again with a tiny handful of slush.
You think I'm kidding? Look at this number. This is one of the most insane facts in all of finance. 99%. That is how much of Warren Buffett's billions he made after his 50th birthday. 99%. That wasn't because he got smarter, it's because he never, ever smashed his snowball. He just let that thing roll his entire life. Okay, this part is my absolute favorite. It is hilarious and it proves everything. A giant investment company did a study of all their customer accounts to see who got the best results. You know who the winners were? People who were dead. I'm not joking. The #1 performers were dead people. And you know who was #2? People who had forgotten they even had an account. And why? It's simple. Dead people don't get scared by the news. They don't panic sell. They are the ultimate lazy investors. This is stone cold proof that the biggest enemy to your treasure is you. All right, we've found all the clues, we've learned the secrets. Now, it is time for the final level up. It's time to build your very own fortress of laziness. This is the 3-step cheat code that will protect your treasure from your own brain.
Okay, here's the master plan, the lazy protocol. Step 1, the media detox, right now. Delete the stock apps from your phone. Stop watching the shouty news channels. They sell fear to get clicks. For you, ignorance isn't just bliss, it's profit. Step 2, the set and forget robot. Set up your investments so they're automatic. The money just goes in every month, like your Netflix subscription, without you ever thinking about it. And step 3, my personal favorite, manufacture friction. Create a password for your account that is so long and so annoying you can't possibly remember it. Write it on a piece of paper and hide it somewhere. Make it a real pain to log in, so when you feel that panic coming on, you're just too lazy to sell.
So, if you remember just one thing from our entire treasure hunt today, please let it be this. In investing, boredom is a superpower. If your investment plan feels as exciting as watching paint dry, congratulations. You are probably on the path to getting incredibly rich. Excitement is the enemy, boredom is your best friend. You did it! You finished the map. You have the secret key to building real treasure. So you know what to do now, right? Your very first mission as a lazy billionaire in training
is to turn this off. Go read a book. Go play outside. Go do nothing. Your future self is going to thank you for it. Now go on, get out of here. Go be lazy.